Manonood tayo ngayon ng Dallas versus Maverick dito sa Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. Let's go!
2023. Minnesota won the opening tip and they start the game with a Karl Anthony Towns three-pointer.
And you saw some switching there initially. This is going to be a much more switchable defense for the Mavericks this year.
The normally reliable Gobert around the basket misses a second shot that follows home his own miss. The Timberwolves, and it's our first wedgie. Wow.
Well, it's so happy.
Wow. Everyone's guarding 1 through 4, even 1 through 5.
And because of that, Lively is such a quick player, lateral quickness, a smart player.
Drive inside and a miss by Towns, but he's able to dig out a ball. Looked like Lively was going to come away with it, but it's a loose rebound, and here's a three that is up and good for Nickeil Alexander-Walker. Still waiting for the first field goal of the preseason for the Mavericks. As Luka goes to work on Gobert, how many times have we seen that matchup? And obviously we saw it on the big stage in the playoffs in the spring of 2000.